Hello guys, it's me again, Julius Russell. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fill out the Form 1, which is for the application for your RN licensure or application for eligibility. But before that, for those who did not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for being updated for my upcoming videos. And if you like my videos or if you think my videos are very informative and very useful, please like, share, and comment. Thank you. So this is the website of NYSED or the New York State Education Department. So I wanna link on my description box below para hindi na po kayo mahihirapan. And if the New York Board of Nursing receive all the documents from your Form 2F and Form 3F, then this is the perfect time to fill out your Form 1, which is the application for eligibility. So, as you can see, meron siyang step 2, which is submit online form. So, i-click natin yan. So, ito po yung lalabas niya. So, we have 5 steps. Number 1, prerequisite. Number 2, personal information. Then, application, review and sign, and payment. So, what are you applying for? Click apply for a new license. And then, click begin application. So, ayan. So, second step, which is personal information. So, there is a instructions there. So, you have to read carefully and take time to read the instruction. Personal information, so you have to fill out accordingly. So, meron po tayo dyang New York State license in the profession. We have the date of birth, NYSD DMV ID, country, first name, middle name, last name, address, and then address type. Click personal. And then phone number, you also have to click personal email address, verify email address, and then continue application. So next step, which is the application. This is the page 1. It talks about the history and moral character. So again, you have to read carefully every questions provided dito sa step na to. So I click no and then submit. Then, do you hold an RN license in other state or US territory? I click no. And as well as here in the examination history, no. And then, after that, click submit. So, ayan. So, next, you have to fill out the information from your school, from elementary, high school, and college. So, yan. Name of your school, and then number of years attended, so start date, and then the end date of your school. So in the start date, ito yung kailan kayo nag grade 1, and then the end date kung kailan kayo graduate nung grade 6 kayo. So ayan. So next, ito yung sa high school information nyo po. And then, again, same lang naman. Dun sa elementary, you have to put the number of years, the start date, the end date, and then, did you graduate? Yes. Type of diploma, you have to put their diploma, and then the date of diploma or certificate awarded. So, again, mababasa natin yan dun sa diploma natin kung kailan tayo graduate. Okay? So, this is the nursing program kung saan ka graduate nung college. So, same lang naman. We have the number of years attended. Have you received a diploma? Yes. And then, we also have the start date. And then, we also have the end date. So, dito, meron po ditong major/concentrate. So, you have to put their Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Okay? So, next, date awarded. So, again, makikita natin yan doon sa diploma natin kung kailan tayo graduate. So, ayun. And then, you have to click yes if you are educated outside of the US. So, ito po yung education document na i-attach natin or i-browse natin dito. It's like your TOR, diploma, so yung mga ganun po. And then, submit. Tapos, next is the previous license certificate. So, you have to click here, yes. Okay? And then the current, previous professional license and certification profession. So registered nurse po yung i-click natin dito. Ayun, registered professional nurse. So next, the state of jurisdiction. So you have to put there Philippines. Ayun, Philippines. And then the date license certificate issued. And then the license number po. Ayun. Okay, so yun lang. Then you have to click submit. So next, page 5, additional information. So it talks about citizenship. So you have to click I do not reside in the United States. Okay, next will be the passport, immigration document. So again, you have to attach here. So i-browse nyo lang. Again, dapat cleared scan po yun. Same as through with the child abuse identification and reporting coursework requirement. So I completed the child course work. So same lang pa rin, i-attach nyo dito sa yung documents nyo po dito. So next is the infection control. So again, you have to click I completed the infection control course training, and then you have to attach the certification there. And then male, ethnicity, additional option for Asian selection, you have to click Filipino there and then submit. So the fourth step is the review and sign. So you have to review the contact information na fill out nyo dito sa application na to, and then you have to click education program review, yes. And then signature, you have to put your complete name, okay. And then same sa affidavit with acknowledgement. So signature, full name, okay, then continue application. So last step, which is the payment. So meron po tayong babayaran dito na $143. So credit card po yung gagamitin natin. So ayun po, kung tapos na po tayo for the application, may magsisend na email, confirmation email na galing sa NYSED or New York State Education Department. So ayun lang, magantay na lang tayo kung kailan nila i-send yung authorization test, kasi yung original talaga pagpa-process is 6 to 8 months. Pero yun nga, minamadali na lang nila, yung iba 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, yung sa akin 4 months. So yun lang. Dumating yung ATT ko is December 1, 3 AM talaga. So na-receive ko talaga yung authorization test ko nun. So yun nga, sobrang happy ako nun kasi nga na-receive ko yung authorization test ko. So dun sa authorization email nyo is meron pong link na pinaprovide nila para sa person view, kung saan dun ka po mag-schedule or magbabayad for your NCLEX examination. So dito, you have to contact the New York State Education Department. Okay, you have to update kung kumusta na yung application nyo. So select your topic, then you have to put their request for exam eligibility, and then click submit, and then fill out your contact information. So yan, first name, middle name, last name, date birth. So yun lang naman, and then submit. So ayun lang. And then next is submit your question. So kung may tatanong ka sa kanila, you have to submit your question. So yun lang. So gusto ko ipakita yung sample, yung sa NYS NCLEX examination approval ko. So again, dumating yung ATT ko is noong December 1, 2022, 3:11 AM. So yun lang, ito yung sample. So yun lang, maraming salamat po. Sana nakapag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell for being updated sa mga upcoming videos ko. Please like, share, and comment. Maraming salamat po.